In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Elementor Safe Mode. Whether you're troubleshooting an issue or just experimenting with new features, enabling Safe Mode can be a lifesaver. Let's walk through this straightforward process together. First things first, you'll want to navigate to your WordPress dashboard. Once you're logged in and ready, look over to your sidebar and locate the section labeled Elementor. Go ahead and click on that, and from the drop-down menu, you'll see the option for Tools. Click on Tools to open up a range of settings and configurations that Elementor offers for fine-tuning your website building experience. Once you're in the Tools section, scroll down toward the bottom of the page where you should find a section specifically for Safe Mode. If you're unfamiliar with what Safe Mode does, think of it as a protective bubble for your editing environment. It allows you to work on a page without plugins or themes interfering, which is crucial when trying to identify or isolate issues. Now, to actually enable Safe Mode, all you have to do is locate the toggle switch or drop-down menu next to the Safe Mode label. Set Safe Mode to enable. This will make your editing experience far less prone to disruptions caused by conflicting plugins or themes. Now don't forget, after toggling Safe Mode on, you'll need to click the Save Changes button. This is a critical step, as it ensures that your changes are stored and will automatically apply the next time you edit using Elementor. Once you've saved the changes, you're ready to dive back into editing any page or post. Choose a page or post you'd like to work on and click Edit with Elementor. As the Elementor editor loads, you'll notice a small notification or badge, typically found in the bottom right corner of the screen, indicating that Safe Mode is currently active. This subtle cue is your confirmation that everything is working as it should. Working in Safe Mode helps you focus on the design and functionality within Elementor itself, free from potential outside interference. It's particularly useful when you're troubleshooting, trying out new widgets, or exploring custom designs. Should anything go awry, you know that external factors like plugins or themes are not part of the equation. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to enable Elementor's Safe Mode. Remember, when you're done troubleshooting or experimenting, you can always go back to the Tools section and disable Safe Mode. This will restore the full functionality of your plugins and themes, allowing you to see exactly how your changes appear in the live environment. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more tips and tricks on getting the most out of Elementor and WordPress. Happy editing!